Cauliflower and pea soup. Prepare the ingredients. Roughly chop 1 onion. Place the onion into a pot. Roughly chop 1 medium-sized cauliflower and place the cauliflower in the pot. Remove the leaves from 1 rosemary sprig. Remove the leaves from 1 thyme sprig and add them to the pot. Add the tablespoon of oregano leaves. Add 500 grams of frozen peas. Add 6 cups of vegetable stock. Place the pot onto a high heat, cover with a lid and bring to the boil. When boiling, remove from the heat, add the cooked vegetables to a blender and puree. Pour the pureed soup back into a pot. Stir well. Taste for seasoning and serve.